Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make my lips look fuller. My lips are already kind of full, but I will show you guys how to make them look a little bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I personally like to prep my lips. So I like to usually use exfoliators, like this one's from e.l.f. and it was less than $3. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So basically you just rub it around your lips and you want to make sure you blend it well. And then you can also use sugar and oil if you don't have any exfoliator in your house. But yeah, this one is pretty practical and it was less than $3 and it's from e.l.f. So yeah, check it out, guys. Okay, so to remove it, I usually like to use just a regular napkin or I like to use a wet nap just to remove it. Okay, so next I usually like to use a chapstick or a lip balm. This one is from Hemp's and it's really good. It's a lip balm. And you guys can go ahead and use a lip balm or you can go ahead and use lip oil, whichever you prefer, just to smooth out the lips. Okay, so after I do that, I make sure that I have a very well pointed, sharpened lip liner. And this one's by Forever Makeup or Makeup Forever. And I really like using one that is at least like a shade or a few more shades darker than the lipstick that I'm going to use. And I start off by lining the outer, my outer lip. And I try to go ahead as close as I can to my original lip line, and then after that I go ahead and slowly go ahead and follow my natural lip line. And as you guys can see, it adds more volume and it adds more of a precise line, so you guys can go ahead and follow that. Alright guys, so now I like to go ahead and do the edges. Make sure that when you guys are doing the edges and the middle part of your lips, that you guys don't create a line that's not there, at least not in the first part when you're lining the lips. I like to create a shape right in the middle of my lips. That's just so I can go ahead and it can look more shaped. I usually like to create a pointy tip in the middle of my upper lip, or I like to create a heart shape. It just depends on what look you guys are going for, but this will be like the most important part of you lining your lips. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side of my lip. And as you guys can see, I'm going over my natural lip line, but I'm also adding it a little bit thicker as I go, and going a little over the original lip line that I have already created. This helps your lips look a lot fuller. So you want to go ahead, you're basically just like lining the original lip line that you have, and you want to go ahead and follow that and do maybe like 2 to 3 more lines over that lip line. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it. And you want to make sure that the lipstick is maybe at least 1 to 2 shades lighter than your lip liner. And as you guys can see, my lips are already looking more filled. The main trick to this is the lip liner. And now I'm going to go ahead and use this gloss. You guys can use any gloss. This one's by my line, Jasmine Wool Beauty. But you guys can go ahead and use any gloss. I feel like this one adds the main focus if you want to make them look full as well and blend out the whole look together. It really makes the whole look just go perfectly. This one adds more of a 3D effect, I feel like, and it makes your lips just look very big. And as you guys can see, I'm going over the lip liner as well as the lipstick. But you guys want to make sure you do this slowly so it can give you the best full effect.